Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video, another new great open source model with the capability of Composer 2.5 and Fable 5. Here you see this is the fine-tuned model of Gemma 4 12 billion, and this model have the capability of Anthropic Fable 5 and also the Cursor Composer 2.5. And I have tested this model inside the LM Studio and also the real code bases inside the VS Code. I will show you all of the use cases, and I found that this model is really have the great capability. Okay, now if you want to use this model, first of all inside LM Studio, what you can do that here you can search this model, and here you see this is the Gemma 4, and also they have shared the size that is required to run this model, and this is the 2 underscore k, which is the tiniest model. 4.5 GB is required, and this is the recommended, means this quantized 4, and I am currently using this Q4, and you can go for this Q6 or Q8. Okay, and basically you will get the full quality with this Q8. Okay, but also with this Q4 I am getting the great output. So let me show you all of that. And here you see that this is the model. Okay, you will find it, and according to your space you can download it. Here you see Q6, Q8, Q2, Q4 division is already there. Okay, now the thing is that how they have prepared this model. This is the training data that they have used, the full process. Now what they are saying, here you see Gemma for 12 billion coder, GGUF. This is the Composer 2.5 multiply or the cross Fable 5, means both of the model capability uh, is there inside this Gemma for 12 billion. And they are saying a focused fine tune of Gemma for 12 billion on verifiable Python coding data. Every training example's reasoning leads to code that actually passed its tests. So for you guys, here you see this is the one of diagram that I have found from ChatGPT. Basically, I have prepared this, that what they are actually doing with this cursor composer 2.5 and why they are using this Fable 5. So here you see the result reasons in open edge cases complexity approach and then emits a clean runnable solution. And this is the training data. They are saying this is a distillation of two complementary chain of thought sources. So first chain of thought is coming from the Composer 2.5, and the second chain of thought is coming from the Fable 5. Okay, both over a verifiable Python coding task, means the algorithmic functional level problems that come with deterministic test. The first one is the main set, Composer 2.5 real chain of thought, genuine model author reasoning traces. The teacher solved each problem, means they are using Composer 2.5 as the teacher model. Okay. Okay, another thing is that those who are thinking that Fable 5 is not there currently, then how they have got the access to Fable 5. So you already know that there was a 2-day access of Fable 5. So at that time they actually generated some small data set, and using that data set, or you can say training data, they have fine-tuned this model. Okay, so I am coming to that part later. Here you see they are using this Composer 2.5 as the teacher model, as the primary model. So whenever you are giving the problem, here you see whenever you are giving the coding problem to the Composer 2.5, it generates the reasoning, means it first thinks. Okay, then Composer 2.5 writes the code, and the code gets executed, and the test case. Now whenever you are getting the code from this Composer 2.5 model, then you need to test this output with your predefined test cases, right? Now if the test gets passed, then this is a great solution, then you have to keep that. Otherwise, if you see that your test case don't pass, that means you need to discard that, means the thought process or the thinking process that it has done, it is not correct. Okay, so you are keeping only the correct test cases that got passed. Now another process is the Fable 5. So when you are going to Fable 5, so you are going to Fable 5 when cursor composer 2.5 got it wrong. Okay, means you are expecting that your output will be this. Okay, and whenever the test case will be passed by the program that is generated by this composer 2.5. Okay, here you see you got the code, right? And whenever you are giving the test case to this code, and you are expecting that you should get this output, but you are not getting that. Okay, so that means composer 2.5 have some problem, or you can say composer 2.5 cannot solve that problem. That problem may be a harder problem that you have given to composer 2.5, because if you see, this is the cursor bench 3.1 from their official, and Fable 5 max or extra high, high, medium, all are in number 1. Okay, so Composer 2.5 is here, and you see score is from Fable 5, it is above 70%, and Composer 2.5 it is 63.2%. So that means there are some problems which Composer 2.5 cannot solve, right? So for that problem, uh, you need to get the help from the Fable 5. So here you see Fable 5, a clever twist. We took the problems where Composer 2.5 got it wrong and handed them to Fable 5 to redo, and rederiving a phrase, self-consistent chain of thought, and a correct solution. Again, get it on passing the test. So this recovers the hard cases the main teacher missed. So Compare 2.5 is the main model, and if the main model cannot solve that, then you need to go to the expert. Okay, and these traces are synthetic, means rationalized chain of thought, and are tagged separately so the two sources stay distinguishable, means you can identify which problem got solved by compiler 2.5 and which problem got solved by the Fable 5. Okay, and the real chain of thought for the bug of solid coverage plus synthetic second attempt is the synthetic. Okay, and chain of thought to pass the failure, both verified by execution before anything enter the training. Okay, now here you see that inside this LM Studio, if I show you, okay, another thing, they are saying that they will release the version 2, and here you see currently this is the version 1 model, and now you will ask one question that currently Fable 5 is not there, so then how they will release the version 2 on the basis of Fable 5? So they for that also they have given one solution. Here you see, Fable 5 access does not come back within a week. If Fable 5 access does not come back within a week, I am considering bringing GLM 5.2 as an additional teacher. Okay, I just went through the benchmarks, and GLM 5.2 actually edges out Fable 5 on both the BS and reasoning leaderboards. I have not tested it hands-on myself yet. I actually tested this JLM 5.2, and you can watch this video on our channel. I will release this video after 1 or 2 days because I am also currently doing the testing with JLM 5.2. Yesterday I released this video Kimi K2.7 code fully tested. I have tested this model fully, so I am also in the process of testing JLM 5.2. Okay, and so yes, it is a great model, and the thing is that they will use this GLM 5.2, Composer 2.5, and also Fable 5. All of the data set or the training data that they have, they will use that. So they will combine all these three models capability, and that means they will actually give you the great model than the Gemma for 12 billion. So we all know that Gemma for 12 billion have the great capability, but when they are combining all of these three great models, Fable 5, Compiler 2.5, and also GLM 5.2 in version 2, then this that will actually surely outperform this Gemma for 12 billion. Okay, and yes, so let me just show you what kind of testing that I have done. So if I just write hi, here you see that I got this hello, how can I help you today? Okay, now let me open another chat. Let me load the model. This is the model. Here you see Gemma for 12 billion coder. Now, actually, some days ago, I did the testing with this model, Gemma for 12 billion. Okay, so the same question that I asked that model, I will ask the same to this model also, and we will see that what kind of different output that we are getting from this model. Okay, now let's paste it and press enter. So find all of the bugs in this code, and you see this model is pretty fast. Okay, so I just press enter, and within a second I got the answer. So there are two main issues with the current implementation. Here you see, and initialization error, empty list edge cases. Okay, this kind of response we are getting. And from the Gemma for 12 billion, they also identified these two issues, and this model also identified. You know that you can use this model inside your client. Okay, inside VS Code with the client extension, you can use it. So let me show the setup. Install that client extension and select this provider as the LM Studio, and this is the base URL, and this is the model. Okay, so here you see all of the models that I have installed inside LM Studio. I will get that list, and you can select that. So this is the model, Fable 5 Composer 2.5 or Gemma 4, and the same thing you can do for the act mode. Now I will give it another question, which is this system design related question. So just copy this question. This is the testing. Here you see I did with the Gemma for 12 billion. I am just trying to find out the different answer, or the difference between the answer from this Gemma 4 and this fine-tuned model of this Gemma 4 with the Fable 5. What is the difference? So I found that this model is pretty fast than the Gemma for 12 billion also, and yes, the same kind of answer they both are giving. Okay, but I think you will see the real difference when you will use it inside your existing code base. If you are asking that model to solve anything, like if there is an issue, then and you want to fix that, okay, then only you will find the real difference. Yes, you can actually try this model, and let me know that in your case this model is helpful or not. Okay, so many people actually have downloaded this model, and it got released today only, and within a short period of time many people actually have tried. So please share with me your experience with this model, and write it in the comment section so that many people can get the feedback when they will watch this video. And yes, if you want to get this kind of latest model news and all of the latest innovation in AI daily, don't forget to subscribe this channel, don't forget to like this video also, and don't forget to follow me on Twitter, and don't forget to join in the WhatsApp channel where I give the daily AI notification. So see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.